Okay, so I'm making a video in my car and posting it on YouTube because I am taking part in a challenge put out there by Pete Vargas, and he challenged people to tell their story in under 3 minutes. I'm just checking the time here, um, and post it somewhere, telling their story. So here goes. I learned about legacy really early. My dad died of cancer when I was 14. He was diagnosed around Thanksgiving, and my parents didn't tell me about it until after Christmas. And then he died on Super Bowl Sunday. So, lesson one, legacy comes really fast before you expect it. And lesson two, my dad's side of the family, we're German American. My great grandfather preached in Western South Dakota in German. When I was growing up, our church still printed out devotionals in German. And I decided to study German history in college. And it doesn't take long doing that to understand that everyone gets a legacy. And sometimes it's good, but there's no guarantee that it will be. And then the last lesson, I'm an estate planner and probate attorney. I deal with the law that comes up when people die. And my industry tends to use the word legacy and money interchangeably. But here's lesson three. Legacy and money is not the same thing. See, legacy is really what people remember you for, what they talk about at your funeral. Like my dad, I remember him as a die-hard Vikings fan, and he passed that on to me. Now, if you know anything about the NFL, you might consider that a family curse, but it's what I remember him for. Loving a team even though you knew it was going to break your heart. And I also remember him for knowing how to make a kid know that she mattered. So, what will be your legacy? How will you be remembered? I started my website, anorganizedafterlife.com, to help you make your legacy.